Hi, welcome to Worst Design Studio. In this video, I am going to create a logo for a brand named Goose. The company creates sports and fitness wear. For this project, I am taking a canvas of 1080 by 1080 and 300 ppi. I will select the text tool and start with the logo name, as this is going to be a wordmark logo. I will resize the logo for a better view. Selecting the right font for a logo is very important. You have to be careful about it. Select the text and drag it while holding Alt to copy the text. Right-click and select Create Outline. Select the text again and ungroup it. Now select G and expand it. Take the Direct Selection tool. Start dragging the blue dot from this corner of G. Double-click on the blue dot to get more customizing options. I am happy with this one. The theory here is to make this look like a goose head. Now select the rectangle tool and draw a square while holding the Shift key. Switch the rectangle fill with stroke. Select both text and rectangle and align them in the center using alignment options. Select the stroke and go to Object, Path, Split into Grid. Enter column 10 and row 10. This grid will work as a reference. While grid is selected, press Ctrl+G to lock it. Now go to the Free Transform tool and select Free Distort. Select the top right corner of the text, drag it and align it to the reference grid. Do the same on the other side. The reference grid helps to distort both sides in the same measurement. I will now hide the grid and delete the backup text. Select the text and drag it holding the Alt key. This will make a copy of the text. Create another copy. I will now experiment with these texts with some colors to see which one fits best. As the brief didn't specify any specific color choice, I can use any color I want. Select the Artboard tool, hold Alt and drag the canvas. A copy of the canvas will be created. I will apply the colors in this copy. By the way, if you're wondering, I am pressing Alt+Tab key to switch between Chrome and Illustrator. You can use this shortcut to switch between any open tabs on your desktop, although it's a pretty basic shortcut and everyone knows about it, but it could be a lifesaver for those who don't. I am happy with this gray, white, and black combination of the logo. I will take gray as the primary color for the logo, and the other two can be used in different circumstances. I will delete these two copies of the logo. This standalone G will work great as a logo mark. I will select the Artboard tool and make another copy of the canvas. I want to use some vibrant colors and see how it looks. Another copy of the artboard to use a black background on the logo mark. At last, the presentation of the logo.